Welcome, y'all. My name's Robin, and in this video, I'll be sharing 3 inexpensive fall DIYs. So let's jump into it. I'm starting with one of these wood pumpkins from the Dollar Tree and a piece of their self-adhesive wallpaper. I went on ahead and traced out the shape of the pumpkin onto the back, and I'll just be cutting that out and applying it down to the pumpkin except for the stem. Now, if you don't have any of the peel and stick wallpaper, there are lots of ways you could decorate this. You could use paint, scrapbook paper, make it your own. I just had this in my stash and wanted to use it up. Once I had that adhered and all the bubbles out, I took one of these new faux leather blessed words and am just going to apply it using a little hot glue to the center of my pumpkin. Dollar Tree really stepped up their game. These faux leather words are fantastic. They come in 2 different shades. I chose to use the darker just to make it pop. Now for the stem of my pumpkin, I wrapped it in twine, and to burn it off, I was sent one of these rechargeable lighters by Re-Idea, and it features a USB charging cable. It runs on a lithium-ion battery. It also has a switch on the bottom to keep little kids from accidentally turning it on. It has an arc instead of a flame, and as you see here, I'm just using it to burn off the little fuzzies on the top of my pumpkin. The company not only sent me one, they sent me 2. So this video is part of a giveaway. And in order to win, have a chance to win your very own lighter, all you need to do is comment down below what your favorite DIY from this video is. There will also be a link to a discount code where you can order one for yourself, for friends. These would make terrific Christmas presents paired with a candle. I'll have all the rules for the giveaway as well as the discount code located in the description box below, so be sure to check it out before you leave the video. For the next DIY, I'm going to be using one of Dollar Tree's little framed box signs. This is from this year, and I wanted to match the paint of the pumpkin to the background paper, so I mixed some Caribbean apple barrel paint with some white. I'm also going to be using part of this rub-on transfer to put on the front of the pumpkin. Now, to remove the pumpkin from the frame, I'm using my heat tool. You can find a link to that heat tool in the description box below in my Amazon favorites. And I'm trying to save as much as I can off of this. I try not to rip the paper. So the heat tool did the trick. Once I had the glue loosened up, I carefully removed the pumpkin from the little, I don't know what they are. It's some kind of tape that they had. It kind of give it an elevated look. So I just carefully removed the pumpkin as best I could without tearing the paper. It came off pretty easily. Once I had the pumpkin removed, I tried to match the background color of the frame as best I could, again using the apple barrel Caribbean color and a little bit of white. And I just gave this pumpkin one coat. I thought about just painting it white, but that would have been a little boring. So now I am going to apply this rub-on transfer. And guys, I am obsessed with these. These are such fun to use. They're very easy. and they add a really, really high-end touch to any of your decor. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and I want to thank you all so much for choosing to click on this video. If you're returning, I thank you as well, whether you're a visitor or a subscriber. I want to invite you, go ahead and click that red subscribe button. That way you won't miss another DIY video. For the third DIY, I'll be using one of these. Actually, they could be a double-sided sign. They're both metal. And that way you have a 2-for-1. You have one side that you could leave up all year long. And on this side, I'm going to be using another one of the rub-on transfers. This one says, "Happy Fall, y'all." And I'm trying to center it as best I could. Then using a craft stick, I will just apply it to the center. Now, you can paint this metal part, or I just chose to leave it plain. I like the metal look for the decor in my home. So the choice is up to you. Make it your own. To finish this little sign off, all I'm adding is a simple little raffia bow with a button in the middle that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. Dab of hot glue, and this one is done. Simple, quick, easy, and super inexpensive. Don't forget to comment below which DIY is your favorite from today to be entered for a chance to win one of those Re-Idea rechargeable lighters. I think I like the Hello Autumn with a pretty blue background. I think that's my favorite from today, but you guys are always the final judge. Which one is your favorite from today? Let me know down below in the comments. Also, don't forget to check the description box for the discount code so you can order one of these lighters of your very own. And don't forget to read also the rules for the giveaway. Thank you guys so very much for choosing to spend part of your day with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and until next time, y'all go get your craft on. Bye.